Ogechi, come to Nigeria. Ogechi, not Nigeria.
I'm from Nigeria.
Ogechi, Nigeria. I was Ogechi, not Nigeria. I was Geraldine, not Nigeria.
What like that?
Geraldine, you cannot come to Nigeria. Geraldine, they will deal with you.
I wish you and Koba.
Have you had lunch?
I've not even had breakfast, more or less
Okay,
of lunch. I'm just.
can I speak British accent? Have you had your lunch? What happened to that this network will come? You must come back network. Every stopping. Network, we know. Okuchuku Vera, you are beautiful. Of course,
Sorry
Oge is a
about that.
beautiful woman. Oge is a beautiful woman now. Let's pick up British accent. So what do you want to have for lunch?
I'm yet to have anything for breakfast yet.
No,
I just need the breakfast.
if I speak a British accent, you need to speak American accent.
I'm gonna have okay. I'm gonna have rice this morning, but
Why?
it's over 12 o'clock. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
why?
what I'm going to have right now.
Don't you think rice is gonna make you add more weight? You
No,
don't need to eat rice.
you know, since they took me to that filthy
Yeah.
place, I lost some couples of pounds, baby girl. So right
Oh
now,
God.
I want to get
Oh
it back.
God.
I want to
Oh
get it
God.
back.
You
I want
don't
to get it
say.
back.
Oh God, you don't say. You know, right
I
now
want
in
to get it
Britain,
back because I
it's
just lost
so
some weight.
cold.
You
It's
know,
so cold in Britain.
all this motherfucker, they put me that shit, man. I don't deal with motherfucking shit,
Okay,
man.
okay,
You know what I
okay.
mean?
You know, I am the only lion Digbo. I am the only lion Digbo. I did it.
Nigga, that dirty ass nigga, man. He looks so
The only
damn
lion. Why is
big.
only lion looking so lanky and lean? He looks
He's
like a
so
lean
bad.
mate.
Man, you need to see this nigga, man. The nigga looks so goddamn
Oh
ugly
my
ass, man.
God.
That snake
Are
ass nigga,
you
man. He looks so
serious? Oh,
goddamn ugly,
tell me
man.
more about it. I saw his head look like a pure mango.
That nigga looks so very unkempt, man. You look this nigga, man. He looks shit, man. He's a
Okay,
snitch ass,
okay.
punk ass
Did you
nigga.
see the big one with big head that was sweating? That was doing like a bread in the mirror. It was boring.
Man, that nigga got no ass. He look like a bulldog. He looks so
Oh
ugly.
my,
I ain't
oh
gonna
my.
talk to him. Man, I put him in his place. I
Uh,
really get with that nigga, man. I came up to his face. I said, nigga, what you gonna do, man?
yeah,
What you gonna do, man?
pharmacy.
He was like,
You've done it really
nigga, do the
well.
damn thing
You've
you
done
wanna
it
do, man.
really
Nigga,
well, baby.
I
You
said, nigga,
did it really
what you gonna
well.
do, man?
Did you,
She, I came up to that
did,
nigga,
did,
dude. I'm like, nigga, do your
did,
worst, man. What you gonna fucking do, man?
did he show you the picture of his bum bum? Has he shown you his
No.
bum bum? He
Shit,
hasn't shown you bum bum.
that fat ass
Oh my,
pig, man, was running
oh
away from me, man.
my God,
That fat ass pig
really?
was
So he
running away
hasn't
from
done
me,
his
man.
bum bum. He hasn't done his bum bum.
That
I heard,
motherfucker refused to show me his motherfucking ass,
I heard,
man.
I heard that Chief Mokedi said his shop has closed. His shop is Facebook, and he's not making money anymore. He's closed his shop
That
since Okai
motherfucker.
Sokarita came out.
She, if he, man, I saw this nigga, man. He looked so damn. He looked like a fat ass pig, man. The white, he
Okay,
looked like a fat ass motherfucker. I'm like, man, nigga. You
okay.
look like
Now I want
you
to
look
say
like a
something.
racist
You can claim
man.
disclaimer. Claim disclaimer. I want to say something. Okay, okay, honey. Okay, honey. Instagram acha white white. Inga kucha shiki singa. Okay, Instagram acha white. Aga me jira zablera lagi singa. Okay, why is on naked rang. I will make
Cha cha.
claim disclaimer. I am the one saying it.
This
I am. It's
man.
my name. Iken rang. Iken rang. The only Iken rang that will
Cha
lower your
cha.
hair.
Cha cha. Check out my Abuja on Monday.
Claim disclaimer. Claim disclaimer.
Chacha, this time around, I will not stop
Remove
you
your face.
again.
Oh yeah, remove your
Chacha,
face.
you
Remove
gotta
your
get me.
face. Remove your face. Let me talk. Just remove this on one side. Ike ngwara ana mere kwa nkanye mata ebe a ọkwa gị dị nwa nwata nọ na London ọkwụsịghị ịchọghị na ihe ọkefuru Interpol niile mkpọrọ bịa ọkwa gị nwaanyị Sunday nọ na London ihe ọrụ ya
Chacha, Chacha, leave me alone. I think I'm not Nigeria. I'm a garbage on Monday.
ike gwara ahụrụ ya na ihe ọrụ ya ike gwara ọkwa gị isi whatever your name is what is you say your name is ọdịghị ndị Igbo anyị na-akpọ aha hapụkwara m ndị Igbo a ị na-akpọkwa Nkechi IVF Nkechi Zekọtọ hapụkwara m ndị Igbo anyị na-akpọ aha
The super lady. The super lady.
Ike gwara you joined us.
It will not work for you. Your plan no go work. The iron lady, the only one who woke 20 were arrest.
ụmụnna anyị na-akpọ aha hapụkwara m ụmụnna anyị akwụkwọ na ha washawo hapụkwara ha hapụrụ anya isi ndebiri wụzi ụmụnne gị ngwa gị nwere ndebiri ka arịa azụpụta gị from Interpol.
Alita, if you need that video, a video listen to because Chacha will have all of them. Chacha for that video.
Video be that. You know, say that I'm gonna give you all your video can they say those their own. I know to see them.
Alisa got hello.
Because
my love. How are you?
Okay, this is my sister never can to this This my
in fact,
never can to go. My sister Diocha.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. In fact, oh my mentor, she's my mentor. This girl is
Nigeria.
You too much. Akaja. I learned from you. No chance. I need to come to your birthday. I'll be at your birthday live.
Okay, for this one, this person I put love na fake. This love na fake. Love na fake. Come to Nigeria and try me and see.
You're going to use Interpol on her. You're going to use Interpol. Nobody will release her.
I'm going to use the Interpol and DSS. I will tell you that I'm married to another now, and you cannot, all you evils. Leave money in there. I'm making the other.
Thank you.
Ako no niile nọ na social media na-agba ọnụ DSS na Interpol na security men ma Mopol ma ndị vigilante ndị ECN ndị na-abịa Ekperima na Germany has given me the go ahead, so let me talk. Ụmụnna na-akpọ aha asị m ka ị hapụrụ ụmụ ndị Igbo ị na-apụta queen ndị ala isi na-ewu queen gịnị ị na-apụta Nkechi Sekọtọ Nkechi Amedo ị na-akpọ ndị ụmụ Igbo aha
ọmambata Nigeria.
To whom it may concern. To whom it may concern. This is a warning to you. Akụfuru ụmụnna ndị Igbo anyị na-akpọ afa make it. Nigeria. The Interpol is saying here you are detected. You are detected. I'm going to teach you a lesson that you will not understand. Nina Fragem, Nina, okay, from Jirin Tapu Yego. If we are near Nawai Kawaii, okay, for God, meaning, you know. Baggy Sigi, Hapromuna in the wise and again, Urakatremo, Urakacharem, a pretty Wakalisa Kalisa. I'm a Bukanoginao of Funga in agent Tapola, Chundi, Bonine, indeed, Bonine, Nineteen Tapona, yes, as I try. Iga magazine Akamgi, Uruwai, Kurakuro, not Rumonia Pana. Mano na ndị Igbo anyị ọgụ na anọtana ife na-ekwesịrị ikwu mụ a na-ekwu ya tinye onwe m na denja ibidokwa na-akparịkwa ụmụ Igbo ị na-akparị ụmụ Igbo nne echana gị
Ọkalịsịa nwanna
for you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I greet you, my sister.
After the go.
Thank God for you.
I am so happy. I am so happy for her.
I'm so happy for you, my
Yes,
sister. Good to see your face.
Yeah, I'm happy to see you in Nigeria. Very, very happy.
Yes.
Welcome home to your fatherland. Welcome to your fatherland. No matter what. Why you listen?
Yes. God bless you, my sister. God bless you. Okay, it's God and God alone.
Yes, so God and God alone.
And the Bible said, "Do my prophet no harm and touch not my anointing."
That is it. That is it.
Yeah. The anointing is much. The grace is much on you.
No grace. No grace.
It is only God. It is only God.
No matter. It is only God.
It's only God for you. All my prayers for you is that you stay in Nigeria in a safer hand and go to America back in a safer hand.
Amen. You are right. So
nothing will happen to you. No weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. You will be alive. You came into Nigeria alive and you go back alive. Nothing will happen to you.
Their network is very, very bad. Because check your network. Nigerian network is Nigerian network is
no, the other are very, very bad.
Very bad. They look good at all.
They very, very bad.
They look good at all.
They very, very bad.
Israel,
one more.
Too much.
Oh my God! That very day, I am that video. I am like this. I am
same thing to me.
Nga gida Facebook kubakuru the video mpo Facebook mbiga na kwa. Nasema na Chineke ona nigi game ya mada puri ime ya.
Yes so.
Ona nigi game ya. And now all the cries of people concerning you, God really answered their prayers.
Too much love. When I try to add you, and actually deny. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to add you, but they keep saying denied. Oh, she network. I don't know. Network is bad. But it's not allowed.
I want to game again. God is on your side.
No, the can push it hard to go because he keeps saying denied.
God is on your side.
I have a network.
His network.
Network, yeah, very bad.
Network issue.
Network will call you. Innocent, fuck you, follow him. Come on, fuck off for the heel. Come on, Sheba, sorry. Come on, fuck out of here to make out more. With your fake account, are you a follower? But I will stop for you. Salam.
Mazi wisdom team. Ofuja name offload.
Ah, yeah. Bianne. Yeah, go to them vegetable, go to them and salad. Ah, boy. Naya go. Naya 100,000, sir. Naya go. None of my VIP treatment on my laugh.
Enjoyment.
Of course.
Yes, so you deserve it. You deserve more than that.
Okay. Trenunu, don't get through my birthday. They got home.
Down. Location no down. Nice.
All
the way from Asaba. All the way from Asaba. To go to that. I'll get it. Yeah. Every day it is
Israel.
It's gonna be hard.
Israel.
So we are doing crown, okay. That device I believe. You know, see how I just come.
Yeah, no, you need to.
Now,
You need
advice
to.
they came a few days and I'm not over there. Advice.
No.
What about
You need to calm down. No matter anything, they overlook some certain things.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Oh, you marry Cable. You marry. You are a winner.
Yes.
You know, like she said, no weapon fashion against you shall prosper at all. So
on your background? After that, forgive my phone.
Reduce one to that team.
no more Ogechi come back to Nigeria. Ogechi is in Nigeria. Oh no, Nigeria life direct. So I'm gonna
Network in the end,
network with the bad.
very bad. And when people try to come out, but
Hey,
I can't. I don't know. Maybe you will get change in a network. I don't know. Network with the very, very unfriendly.
Nigeria network.
Thing against so I don't know. Now because network. Now I want to conduct a program. Now I know the kind of stuff he knows. The kind of stuff he knows. The kind of stuff he knows. Hey. The thing sometimes like this before I meet another like this. I am as a child. Nigeria where the especially like women around the environment city code for a long time. What I go? Olilanya Ndengokba was shouting like a woman with his Nigerian one eye. Anyway, that was a video. Please, I would like you to get to on the blogger. I'm open the blogger copy. No wahala. Now, I want the blogger to copy this thing I'm about to say now. Please share this video. I'm about to say something and I want the bloggers to also copy it. All the very important. Ndane request, sorry, I can't bring you guys in. I want to say something. Please share this program. Please share me. I can subdue this crazy network. You can leak white any drink here. I can't stop white. Imakuna Chicago na 10 degree Fahrenheit. We still drink ice. Like chew. I was there like no Nigeria. Even here now, we got the okay. We here na Joe here. Mine is really mini ojuro yana zia. The thing I only can see that my nose I can make like somebody this stuff. Then I send the request. When I send the actually very important because Now, Oge is fair lady on video call, still single. Okay, now there is something I want to say. I know you guys will do anything just to make sure you damage Ogechi's image. I know you guys will look for all these porn star videos to bring it, looking for something that will attach me to something. There is a video that they are circulating. Now, who did today come on video? Video Taylor on a porn star site. No be today. All this so much name a porn site. The person back it up. I pass it around. No video, man. Then let me tell all of you. I keep telling you guys this. Ogechi did not live a wayward life. You should know that by now. I don't live a wayward life, and I have never lived one. So all these things, shagan, whatever you guys, all this winchi hunt, host, all this scandal, all these formulated stories, all this rubbish. That one no they work for me again. And I don't carry this one again. Now let me tell you, you should understand something. Ogechi is a very, 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 very ethical and principled person. Very ethical to a fault. And I have never lived a prostituted lifestyle before. I'm not been shower before. I know been no lord no boyfriend. Or man on a song we are mad video sex. It's one thing I'm against. Or the magawa mother video mu ma imapona that bed unu negotiate on Nigerian bed. This video has been on porn star site for how many years? Because of Jpac looking for a place to damage Ogechi person. When able with another video Ogechi. I don't know. And the one thing you guys should I want to show you something. I Batman here on so Lena Konya who pressing a wall. This Batmark on la this is my Batmark. Une screenshot or that aka and that am fairer than that lady. Thank God that aka ya jini. Une me with a Batmark idi otano the lady naka. This is my Batmark. Onom na kembo. You want to go owa manachi. Let me tell all of you. I don't like I don't like promiscuous women. Because when I met her there is something that I don't like and I cannot participate in it. So stop trying to find and the bid the bid even lesser bid because in the China and Chicago. I want to touch with my name. It's not gonna work. Nuna gave me the crown Queen Unishi. Oh, I'm more popular than ever. I knew people, I met people I never thought in my life I would ever meet. Nuna gave it to me. All this scandal, such a video, it will not work. You guys have tried every possible means. Still, not does Ogechi bien to go for maka the raining days. Maka the raining days. Let me tell you one thing. Even if today Ashimuna, my husband, they divorce wala, ndekuna line chorelom hakaja. Whether they was once married or not, or whether they are single man, they are many. Okay, when I'm something men look up to. My common sense, God gave it to me. Tell me what it is. Little investment God has blessed me. So all this one rubbish, Photoshop, bullish, with leave all this rubbish. It will not pave way. Or they're possible. Can't even get go there zone go the doggy. Can't you tell? Can't you tell? Name is like this in Oba. As more you guys do, as more you give me fame, as people look for who is this Ogechi, go there. You could know the cap. About shower before in my life. You want to go? So I want you to be very, very careful. You want to go? Stop messing all our lives up. Who name is like Oga Uru. Baliano Chon something reasonable to do. Oh, the popular I become. Oh, what I never bargained for. No, give and carry and give me. And the one thing about you that Ejecha everywhere, all these people, and when you choroku, and when anybody choroku, no need choroku. When you got put the shino get you, I'm choroku. When I'm choroku, I was running my normal program online, doing my tenune buru. All of you was once my followers. I show you that chonga koka that one koka when was. What I go? Oh, no pagaram kwega me ba. Ebam no. Don't be me carry myself. No, na carry me enter where I never knew in my life. I knew that I would be arrested when I get to Nigeria. But before my lot, a lot of people buramu say make I no come. I said, okay, how long will I continue to say I will not come to Nigeria? The same day Igbo police are tormenting the Igbo Ibe. The same day you cannot be harassing Nnewi Bani. Actually, we have police. But Umuna Jpac is another place. Jpac is sit here as the actor of everything. Jpac can matter on a phone. She imaro na Nnewi anaha kporo Nnewi be police. Jpac akusuwa the person, and I'm here. The thing is recorded. Is recorded. Because before Jpac about the person actually so person, he has to pick up. Here Jpac Kuru, that's a one yash now so person. That's okay. He necessarily do no get or a man will get you when you came. Am I what I want to say? Yeah, shocking now. No one call ya when you lady person. And I chat Alana what's up. First voice note Jpac Livre is that they are working seriously, timelessly to take Ogechi to Abuja. Nampata na Abuja. Na get him na back, na get him on that ground. Law kuomo tufuoki. Ehuna how evil this Jpac is. Na ya na no ya wakeji. Na no do Jpac and where Beleface and Escom and all this umwokam mini gather to arrest me in that strength. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So he said, after me listening to that voice note, yeah, well, the person boy, the person share, why would you arrest Ogechi? I put on 18 and the police and me being intimidate. Why would you do that? Yashi, Ogechi Njaka, the person that share, it got Ogechi Empire Puria. He put on a social media, Ogechi like this. He put on social media, now go on address, not address Ogechi. Do you know that I live in Chicago? Let's assume that address is where I live, where I reside. Chicago is one of the most dangerous cities. Anybody can pick up a gun, put it on your forehead. He was busy reading my address on a social media. Let's assume that address is my address. I don't know what Olamma get to do with searching all this rubbish. Olamma, I don't know why you're hiding. Why can't you come out face to face? Let us fight it woman to woman. There many and people to damage their name. Why? I wish you can come out. Come on again, show good muzzle. I don't know why you hype. Are you not woman enough? I blame those trying to destroy their name. Because in this game of a fight, it will be the worst mistake you guys have ever made. I just go and write it one place. Okay, with the biggest draw. Ono draw on my head. I pity any useless person that allow you, Olamma, hiding under the shade of other people to fight Ogechi. But let's see how long and how far you will stretch this your wings. Again, let us see the end of this game. Jpac, the person at boy. Jpac, the person. The person that so in and Ogechi Njaka can do. No kamashi no ihe je me ka nwe ka ndi ugwu ga gbagbuo mpia. I have the voice, I will play it. Emechamashi the person record ya send there me. O record ya na video. Na ga aranye mu na ka ndi ugwu ga gbagbuo mpia. No ihe je make everything possible. But Jpac achom ka ima na Chineke ka gi ike o. God pass you. People know how demonic and how evil you are. Jpac iri more than, and they know a wicked soul and one give a replicant of a demon. She is your that woman will destroy you. Mark my words. Gine Kopiana command digging a background. Even at the record, we have to hear her voice. I pity you because your end is very close. You just finished yourself. Oh, Moabuki, Ejiraka Wumwigi. Potapota. No ga Karagim Manamo that Era Yamuna can do good. Karaboom. Ogewakaga. Where they shot it to death. Be very careful, woman. You really wrong. Let me block you. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Come on, fuck off. Oh, nigga kaga bobu to death. All of which you know in a video about me. Both the comments and every details. We will see to the end of this. All of you. You want to go? Let me block you. I will also step negi. I will negi jiriba show also step yakaga honest. You want to go? So all of you plans, you guys who learn on degree, who got fall into it one after another. Unuga follow Chaya one after another. It's just a matter of time. What I go? Happy a block go me. Jpac Eruna. Because I share this video. There is many things I'm about to say. Share this video. The main person was busy telling Jpac what to do. That idiot and intelligent criminal. That fool. That Ikenna. Get it. Abraham get on more again, mevoge. And don't more drag it to your doom. Watch and see. None of you will go unpunished. For planning to take my head. Imagine Jpac, you talk carelessly. Go little, you leave information. Go little, you leave information. Like I said, I won't talk much. I won't talk much. But let's see how the journey will end. And a lot of Igbo brothers are supporting it, thinking that this thing will end on my head alone. Tomorrow may be your turn. We live in a world where you got no problem at Chotage. Sometimes your emotion will not control what you will be. It got not like these people like that. Go. Yes, you may not react on every case like Ogechi, but on key may expect will drag you. You may look for help, you will not see it. All of you that gathered hands, share with that womb. I will sit on this blow up and I watch it happen on your heads. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. All of you that conspired, Jpac man they kidnap man they have over 30 men. I'm not some of you guys will not become the way I was that very day. You guys will not become Bambari Day. And Ghana no men. Whoa. Haneti. KG made me intimidate. And all of you guys cannot stand what I stood on that day. And I said, wow, so I best stand there when my mama. All of you stood and said, yes, with Ogechi. Men, over 8 men. Before we step out of that place, to make the story worse, ex-convict, Abatawaha, Namuana sponsor on die pop, Namuana sponsor on Longo men. To make matter worse, to hear people boom, now one idiot, one Amakalami who that bastard. They can ready. Nongan, making it 9 men in the car, harassing me. Wherever we have like this, Doecha. Harassing me, bullying me. Escona de no more on a sponsor that they should that may rule many people that southeast. Who did that men southeast? That means up and I pop on a woman in a southeast. Ya Ogechi Njaka. Many people after mentioning that I'm a sponsor, many people. Can this man bring evidence? Eben raising and I pop ego hagabu mad on my behalf. Or weben buru mad. Onuman Nigerian agent no I pop. Onuman do woji na so nema ha so. Onuman people that have been having panther works, blood has been shed because of these 2 names. They were already name tag yam where here already. Already name here already. To name Akande. Yana down with a big problem. K womb and the process on the way. And you think God got free? All of you that is kita the woman. I gave brain you know gata you fool. It's just a matter of time. All of you ewere nkịta nyawa were gị enwe ka ndị Igbo shata ilulu ahụ ị chọrọ igbu nwata ga-ewere gị nyawa ya n'olu ka ahụzi ihe eji eke okwu ya ka ọ nwụọ. Ọ na-anwaka, you guys have finished enwe ihe ọzọ unu ga-eme ma unu emebi. Thank God for my life. Thank God for my life. Come and see where those that call themselves men jubilating that they arrested only one woman. That means I've been a terror to because of unu come on ma akọwara unu. Unu come on ma akọwara unu. Ọnụ na-agaba ọnụ gbara akapụta. You guys formed groups. Kemgbe how many years ago? Unu chọrọ na aga ekwu Ogechi zuru ike. Na unu na-egbutere unu isi m na unu aga ahapụ m. Unu chọrọ na unu na-egbutere unu oshi Ogechi na unu aga ahapụ m. Unu aga konite ya. All of you, how many men? And Jubilate, in a video they have captured Osama bin Laden. And some people are praising all of you. Unu make ofuma. Unu gudere nwoke ubu unu. The fight just started. And it will go a long way. Make everybody get ready. Eziokwu. Onye gbap all this one calling for peace. Onye ọbụla gbara ibe ya. Onye ahụ mara ka mmiri ya kpọrọ m gawa court. Every case anyị mega here were available offense. Call him a mmiri and iji evidence that ọmụ achọrọ go okwu. Buru ya bịawa. Petitions, why wouldn't I come to Nigeria? How long will I continue to say I'm not going to come to Nigeria? How long will you tell me not to come to Nigeria? My sister, a day begins a story. Let's tell this story and end the chapter. How long will you tell me to be running away from this country? Somebody hapụta with threats, describing me image tanker. And I'm not a human. Blood does not run in my vein. My reply, I become the problem. We shall see. I am making any negotiation there. Okay, Sean. You two talk this woman. The Jpac are the same. May block you. What I go? Time for peace. I will arrest all of you when I get dinner. What I go? Then after that we start to talk about peace. Because of problem this Nigeria, have they gone to arrest their fellow men? They will not. They felt like I'm a woman, I'm vulnerable. I'm a woman, I'm vulnerable. They can gather men and intimidate me. Hana could have a problem here 24/7. None of them have ever that men arrest. Yeah, because how hey, men are not supposed to walk into my room there. What about Oron and water and they change if they barge into my room, violated my human rights, humiliated me, or we hold that video, or we forward the video. I'm asking you, it's only meant for uniform people to arrest me, to come into my place. What are these ununiformed people doing? They have a guy to my private end just to take a picture. Kabia Thank God that all of their faces came out there. So nobody will deny that the person is not. It's about to get hot. It's about to get more than what you expected. You guys humiliated me, tormented me in the name of arrest. Who gave you guys the license to walk into so-called, actually may find them on vigilante, may them arrest. With the video, mom. Thank you. If I bought how much I do the two now? Oh, you may worry I'm jealous. So you may worry I'm jealous, right? Eh? Oh, you're bragging out I'm getting up. You can make she get out. You try to put on Facebook. No, happier. No. See my soup. Come and eat. These people are just awesome. Look how famous boy. And amazing jealousy. And amazing jealousy. Now I'm in the Chandia. Come and eat, my people. Come and eat, my people. Come and join me. Come and join me. You want to go? So thank God for my life. Thank God, Ogechi, the kind of person I am. I really stood my ground that day. I really stood my ground. I did not allow their presence to intimidate me. They did not allow me to make call. I wanted to call somebody. They did not allow me. They refused. You want to go? But thank God for everything. Even the place they arrested me to. A lot of people refused. All the people actually made the majority of the police officers actually made sure they actually made IPO. They refused because they are my followers. How can they follow me? That's no Ogechi. It's not they see saying I mean. They later start telling me why they refuse. Everybody they had to call one Ikwere man. When they watch Facebook, we don't even know what happened. The man had to come and take the case. It was difficult for them. All of them became so frustrated that very day. I'm not because of Hamonyo, they are following me. Like I said, it will get tougher in the coming days. It will get tougher. Because I know him Meruno. I want to choke more reply. When Meri Nana ya. When Meruno. And when you're not a born baraka. And nobody intimidates no one. Bonya who na equal pim. Equal pim. I like him kike Jpac this game. Let it kike crank. I like him kike because I Ogechi that Ogechi is a nobody, but never knew that God will send angels from heaven to stand by me. Now we're turning me hello. No, which kind of service is this? Jpac. You want to go? Chirekeshi from heaven send there people that got an office in call and things will start changing. They never knew that a day. They never knew that people will rally around because the first day, one year my word about me, one year my him again. I don't know that waja video, tears in his eyes. Waja, you will not see better. Oh. You will not see better. I heard that you guys mocked me the very day. I can't make calls. It's only you. It's only that young man. Just the boy refused to betray me. That is all the crime. the crime the boy committed, Jpac boy. Negative mona the boy in a bed. A blue 1 rupees video. And the boy have one Jpac on. Ya wona Ogechi dinara, muna ye dinara for imite. Let everything you're looking for but or ya. Oba progo na as a brother. Pogon. Oga tereganam. Jpac got suffer. Blackmailing, that's all you know how to do. But if you also reply you, Negia, Gatima, Mama police. But you're not going to frame a young boy up. Now, Kisha South, you know them really man. Thank you. I'm a little confused. Thank you. You want to go? No, we'll get one of my video. You came for two. Oh, yeah, Kisha damage madam. A young boy, even I wait at this boy, just that he's a brother. Let him know about ya wuroni. Let him get super FM na na yeti na ya wuroni. Thank God oba pola go kona na chilere ga aja na mbara elu. Gina ihe ụwa ka alụ. You know how to blackmail people. But they are go fuge pema. People will not see what you are. You never know that with them apple. I may apple now. Don't eat apple. See. No me apple. No. Don't eat apple. Bum. Maybe garena. Don't eat apple. No me apple. Bum. I only eat garlic. You came out naked and now provided that CCTV camera. Just to blackmail Matakale. Oh my goodness. It is well. So bad. Come and eat, so God bless this food in Jesus' name. Amen. And then when I want to you could basaram in your puro mukuro. No, I'm not doing me whatever. Well, I don't have problem with Okurora. You know, I spoke out of anger. You know, so bloggers copy this one. I spoke out of anger, but I'm not make recalls, which I didn't know. So Okurora, my brother, it is well. Don't take it personal. Mam na hage buaria to cause more problem. So Okurora, don't let that be a big of a deal. I let her hard that April. Na but I don't want to mention the person's name. It's okay. And the Namageji so don't take it to heart. Talking really good time. Let me react. Do that one. So, I put on my brother. Let us still, sir. Okay. So, put on my brother. They will like, oh. Or the same soup. Yes, I heard that you made a call. So, go on the way will I go. Thank you. Sorry, no, you will and anyway. But look, we're going to enjoy in the comment section. Look at the verse. My husband is doing perfectly well. Okay, drop your account, let me pay. I will be Chineke gozie go. Okay, drop your account, let me pay for your. Oh, thank you. Try. Because Alisa, because drop your account tomorrow. Yesterday. No, no, that even Dr. Fortunate because she reached your time here at time. Yes, but yeah, but I got search here too much. But yeah, I'll let them know. Oh, thank you for the lunch you're gonna pay. I appreciate you. Where is Alisa? Hey, can't continue not yesterday. Okay, how much is your dinner? Oh, my Ashna. I think this is expensive. I think this is not less than 23,000. I didn't know. Give a jogam child. Now because then lunch come. Okay, now. Yeah, we'll have to know. Dinner. What time is it? You deserve better. Oh, thank you, my love. Our billionaire brother. Child. Nah, he didn't. I wish he didn't. But you need to meet people that matters. In case of things like this. Oh, I get him again. Makachi, I didn't we kill him again. I didn't so. I didn't so. I didn't look at me again. Let me done with this. I didn't leave me. Send the make I wire you. Oh, my brother. My brother. Thank you so much. Where is Alisa? Adaki Ibea? Hey, your account I hope yesterday. But when Alisa pin an account more, Madam. He did Namo. Nandes Remazu yesterday. I saw him tell 60,000. And then much they really came out for me yesterday. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chai. Another fish. Man, me check a driver butere moto man. You are loved. Thank you. You're blessed in the. Don't even let you put an account to open. Stop. Why? Who knows? No one can create here. We are lazy. Okay, be calling NK. I have dashed them. NK. NK. Bona Lisa, share with our account, man. Okay, longest I do. Because I'm putting the my account to become. What did easy? Alemma is coming. Share post. So what do you get that TV? I get post. Okay, okay. You are enjoying your. I've tell you. Nanda, share your account number. So. Lots book big there. God bless you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you, my dear. I'm calling her now. She will pin them. Nah, listen. Get one born, okay? Okay, my friend, when the bomb name dinner, name lunch, Ulano me. You meet what you more. She's pinning it every time. Okay, let's get that account. Get it there in case. Actually, I am captured alive. Oh. Okay, how plan to get captured there? The organ. They're going to listen, man. Okay, look at the account number. Hey, pin go ya. Finally, thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, appreciate. The great Vincent. Chideke goziere muno. You be animal. Really? Precious Patrick. Take vitamin. I will. I'm your secret strong fan. And I really. But I'm not shy the animal. I just be charity now, no fish out. I know, of course. That is about pork. At least a pin guy because no more no job. When you no more job, man, no more obioma. I will beg until you go. I go to beg because please give me money for food. I need money for food. Please give me money. So where would dog am again? Where would go and pay yourself because the begging continue. I sent 5K. Oh, thank you, my darling child. Thank you so much, child. I love you. Thank you so much, child. No, thank you. In turn. Okay, I will if you baby. I will beg. Begging never even starts. I celebrate Salam birthday. You are just una go beg something. Begging never. You know, be una crown me the king. You know, be una crown me the king. Oh, the king of the game. Oh, the king. You know, I never starts. You know, you not call me the king, the king of. Nobody will take it away from me now. Jealousy go pay you. The king of the game, the king of the. Let me tell you one thing you don't understand. You see, Mbahum no inside. I want to send 20K for you now. Thank you, Arere. Chigaziegi. Kabewe. Cry me a river, cry me a river. I'm not a good guy, I'm gonna must go. Hey! The fans with the best. How are you today? I'm fine, my dear Chinedu. Thank you for asking. I'm perfectly well. We'll be buying you lunch, breakfast, and dinner. Did you hear that? Just name it. He never even. Okay, appreciate you don't want her to send. Hey, he didn't know. He didn't know. He didn't know. 20,000, 5,000, 50,000. 100,000. He didn't have him. Chineke goziela m gị, my brother. He didn't have. He didn't have. Chineke goziela m unu. He didn't have. Thank you, my brother. You're a man. You're a man. Now, send 5K. Thank you, my brother Chinedu. Oh, love only too much. Thank you. I appreciate. Just into my pocket, they jealous me now. The account is pinned down, my brother. I'm pinning it down. Now, friend, I saw Prince Pascal. Now, I send them about 200K. That really cool, boy. Yes, sir, my brother, my brother. It's actually cool, and I buy a new year. Akụkọ mgbe a hụrụ 100,000 agbaliela gị ụkwụ elu, pụta ahụrụ ya kapụta ụkwụ n'ala. The never ebidokwala nụ. Never start. Ebidokwala nụ, ma setela mba dem for ndị odogwu. Oh, Rona gave me the crown king. I didn't ask for it. Unu just nye me she. Eze ama na Ogechi. I didn't waste your time. I just would crown king name from 10K to 100K. I know here now when you hit a cool down. God will love you and regardless. Thank you, my darling. People that love me beyond my errors. Until they do give away. Papa, no nam shinangapata. Biawanya. No nam shinangapata. That is supposed to be petting me now. It may hope your mouth. Magatanga geshem, it may hope your man. Child. In a good hearts. Magachine hope your man. You don't let him nanga. No, Biano. You don't have a good heart. Illetram condition, man. Mshirangapata. No, Biano, I like gas you give away. Hey. My sister, you get mine. You get mine. Garangang. Chananga 3 days. You know, you get mind at all. Try. Nga. Nga. Onye talo nga 3 days. 3 days I remember 3 years so. Game with the mind. They make I do giveaway. My brother, my sister, you get mind. Child, Andy, my brother, get mind. Very bad one. But may God forgive you. Because I have forgiven you for saying that. At this condition, I lost from 3 days. My enemy jubilated for 4 years. And they came back on the 3rd year. Don't. Okay, you too strong. 3 days. What they eat like 3 days. Nah, Chema Korono. Imenga. Na ihuna onye nwe hono agụ na agụ ya. But if you get mouth, you no go gree chop. E mana nri shota sumpa na shegi at in fact in the jog that zone 13. She what really happened one lady in my right and I Ogechi. I got really moving akoko. Everywhere stew. Everywhere stew. People I shouldn't get the bolo. They really came out for me. They really came out for me. Child, forget every morning. Ogechi. I like this. I don't know who these people are. I'm not gonna be even they were saying Queen Oge. Majority of them they follow me. 80% they follow me. Now all these old papa will not sabi me. Young guys, no, including those girls. I'm just Chicago, my higher lawyer. That reminds me. The money you guys gave me yesterday for fish. At least I'm not 300. Okay, appreciate another 50. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, this is very important. Let me make this. It's very important because only 2 girls that I met Eba Mungara. Hashina Madam Moha Borohoshi. Getting to 2 months and 2 weeks now. Very soon, yeah, about 3 months. And what the lawyer Beba Joha to bail them out. Actually, they were 4, 2 boys and 2 girls. But in them show I'm more concerned. Somebody really won. I told you. No more you see? Be welcome. Yarona me and I had an idea and keep being Munayasha keep away. Thank you so much. In I can be in our here once why Cogan.
No, I'm not sleeping.
Yeah, I'm yesterday. I was walking a shaft.
I'm not checking on the kitchen. 2 times I can over this.
Oh, on Kabalia is so cheer. Oh, I'm good. This is my first time I've seen you.
Right. Fine.
Okay, nice to meet you, no? Maybe I didn't pay attention. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Eh? Okay. No. Who is this? No. This, they were 4, 2 boys and 2 girls, but today my attention goes to those girls. One on the 23, I think one on the 25, if I'm not mistaken. Madam Moha. But I have 100 million here. Imagine the girl. is 100 million. The guy shows him. But not to trade small money. No, 300 and something thousand. Or was here the one here? Then later ask you to pay for the 300,000. You understand what I'm saying? But the other girl, when you got to count here, the woman she said, "No, if goose to hear if." Ima, actually, I'm new here. Buga nyege something no. So now, no lawyer, nobody have ever come there to ask about them. Now, yeah, they do test it. But when they test it, they do test it. That's the protocol. That's the procedure. You must test. But I don't literally. I'm really. Okay. I go once. Oh, thank you. 50K. Thank you. Thank you so much. So now, Madam Hailey Taha, that's 100K. Sorry, 100 million. Marshall no mommy. If I take that money, will I look like this? I'm telling you, no lawyer. Which I'm then on getting to 1 year, maybe to write statements. Only one papa no ga one name work for Abuchi Amaki. Anyway, yesterday, people in the mega house, I let a show about 300 and something thousand. Now, because I need my lawyer. I need a lawyer. The man a lawyer got better that based around Anambra State. Many yesterday. Go up to those girls. All the very important. So, if you have any lawyer around Anambra State that can be able to, ascertain in this thing. Lawyer don't charge much. All these local billing and all that. I really want to see why they are still there, and I would like to own the human rights activists around this Anambra State. Either way, human rights activists. Before I'll be able to hand you over to such on keep yeah. Now you cannot detain someone without for 24 hours. It's not good now. If I let go their right, so that 370,000 yesterday, I'm going to can I pay 1,000? I put 1,000. That 1,000, I no go chop am. So I go buy me another fish. So make I use them. So if you need any lawyer, I use from Anambra State. I would like the woman, I like the man or the woman, and that are woman rights. No, I don't believe that. Justice. So much, Let me block this idiot. Time to block you. Yeah, fuck off. You know what I got? I got their just theory. And they have a lawyer now. They will now processing their papers. Oh, your name. I contact other madam. So let's go. Can I go? Those girls are too young to be there. They are their age. I was busy making my money. Don't age too much because I think I want now. Kilo Olumaya like this. Okay, how can this woman now go and fetch for the surgery? People get married though. Police they see this woman, they come here, they visit some Peking. You know, just one year in what the baby go to surgery. They say, "Okay, what they go to bed no man." I never see you. I people get married though. So, capable human rights activists. Not this Anambra State. You know, in the help, my dear brother, the help. You know what, brother? I get up on a petition. But Gota is here. I'm talking about here. Gota comes here. I'm talking about. Yeah, I believe that in Utumo is still growing. I think Gota is here, but this place from here, Tena, so I got in the two human rights, any allowed interested because I know the lawyer the case now. Toga speak here for them. A lot of them, a lot of guys, but some of you go do a go log to even solicit. Just when one boy in a morning division who also like to solicit for the boy. The boy, the young, very young guys, to all one of them. Actually, I had the four, two boys and two girls. So, I don't know to. Taho pano get now, but I am going to be a wash as to walk out of here. Hate you for you. It's not neighbor. So, look for me. Only lawyer, human rights lawyer, man. Let them begin to go for that. Those hits. Because some are woman. Let them go and speak for their release. It's not good. So, we can as well help the mother too for surgery. That's a good idea too. But I'm kind of the good side. And not the main thing anybody to see my good side. Though. I don't need to do it for you because I'm the reason why God is still they protect me each today. Not because of my kind gesture. I'm not doing it for anybody to see the good. Any name may do come back to me because of this life we live Ghana. Look at Ogechi say, I'm stubborn. Oh, I'm very stubborn. I won't even when you do this stubborn. I'm the West here for a long time. I'm stubborn. I don't listen. And I'm against the majority of time, but still God still have grace on me. Or because of things I do for others. They may not appreciate it, but my kind gesture, my kind heart. See, you may see me as a bad person, but it's not my heart. You can't take it away from me. The only thing that will take it away is that will take my kind heart away. You can't care about get your about obim or the. So you must not see what I do is for future reference. Some there is this giving when dig help spirit how will guide you for the rest of your life. You're going to dig help, you're able to get a problem. But that will not stop us from helping. I'm gonna help you carefully. And that is what I'm doing. Carefully. So that is it. So you know anybody that is capable. Watch on KCK release those girls. Some of these number their number. Number minda with phone minda with the Interpol. Oh, I have my phone. I should make it everything. That's what I'm not about. She have my phone. When you're in the video, no. I don't know what I'm about. Yeah, when you. My back up or my fake money, what's in concern me? She will always be a loser. About me, thank you for those of you that sent money today for my food. Yesterday night was fun. 300 and something thousand. Thank you, and I appreciate today too. Chineke gozere moon. I appreciate. Don't worry, God will put them. So What should I go home as yeah? Don't touch now. I should not get him. Not getting him. I mean, care. You mean get many apocalypse. That lady like Nari be kuli felu na the place. Shankoge in fact iku Chineke nda. Them chọrọ ime ya Imagine this say she dey craze. Mpie ya otu aka m agbara m ya pam ma akọda gị onye kpabiri gị aka mere gị ebere ma eji gị enyicha this place. Eji gị ndịrị ya enweta Muslim because okay block who do I block? One day, keep on get sweet potato. You want get sweet potato? Anita, I love you too. She might be remember one of these police officers now. That boy, Mama boy, you know one number police boy somewhere. For where? Or we are not approved lesbianism, nebe. Guys, thank you no for feeding your sister. No man, no name of Fuma. I appreciate. Thank you. You guys are the best. You know, thank you, girl. But in these upcoming days and weeks and months, we gotta be very hot. We gotta be very, very hot. So, you know, like Jpac, many bloggers get it for. Njaka, I know the wahala. I'm a very lovable soul. I don't want to see my ugly part. What should I get? Now I get prove ya. No way, shall I add in them mad? I don't know. Okay, let me see what I add. It's gonna add. I'll call you back.
Hello. Yeah. Galaxia, good morning.
Good morning, there. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Welcome. I've been looking for a way to reach out to you. In Nigeria, Nigeria is a lawless country. I will advise you if you can, like, keep everything that happened, on a low key until you go back to US. You can start to do your thing, because that country is a lawless country, So, Biko, if you ask me, just let everything like be on a low key until you travel back.
Okay.
That's just what I want to tell you. I'm looking to message you DM, but I couldn't find. It's like you're no longer in the messenger. That's why. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you. Her voice is so sexy. Only Italo. Voice you equivalent something. You a bad boy. You a bad boy. You a very bad boy. Jeff, thank you. You're a very, very bad boy. You're bad. You're very bad. I don't know. You didn't know. I don't know. As soon as I was arrested, they were their history of people. These people have been waiting for till the day they see say, okay, don't enter trouble. Where she don't go come out? I say, let me tell you, a chameleon can never change. You want to go? So now this saga, anybody where they come say they look for peace. People you really when a banter works with, hey, believe that Ogi wa destroy. They never forgive you, then go poison you. See this line of things. I just laugh. I don't suffer. Anybody where they look for, we no get to go for, we shop for before me. So if they wait until when you go here say, Ogechi bad news, they rejoice. I just they look you, they laugh. Because as you think bad things are happening to me, the good things keep happening. Good things keep happening. Things keep managing God. Does it mean that you opened? I don't understand. What I go? Make everybody be careful. See this is this the Facebook one, you call it Bamjiri Oya as nothing. Many people don't call them like that. Oh. You see how I gave me a piece of me pay. No be like everybody. Oh. When they got any day where you fall and see go see them. They come, they go the right. You know, people will say, I don't forgive you, I don't let go. You know, be happy people do. Just send 20K now. Hey. It's time to talk to your son about Monday matter. Please, I am just asking for his sake. Kings, Thomas, don't worry. You should not be concerned. I sent 10K. Okay. Yes, so my billionaires, this ones here. Let them have the my own billionaires and they are here. And when they can die here. Please, Oga, I want to come to you. So we go take a video. We go do we are doing our own here. My billionaires are here watching me. My trillionaires are here watching me. Thank you so much, Edward. In the COS, we are jubilating, saying that they might arrest me. I don't die. Emotional, my own. I'm not taking glory. Omoshi that could not handle their own problem. Which I don't know. But those ones are just Omoshi, time for rats and catfish. I shouldn't. This your gum cut from me. That's what it is. Huh? We're doing a wapash. Keza he, nkanang iwapash. Ngame. UTP Shima add the because many more is waiting to be added in the list. I don't want to give relevance to people that don't want it. You come here. You don't know. You guys are baseless. So when they're gonna reply me. Have you arrested me? Only Weibo was vomiting rubbish. Let him vomit now. Only Weibo, when you can't, only weed. Isharaka, Okeshia. You know, take on no serious. No, Weibo na ungu, yango, hana goofy, yango, no kakari, yako iriwe. No, Weibo na ungu. We're pasta. Oh, my brother, I like him here, but on a coin, Deport me. Only a my brother, but on a coin, both for the ya to try to small. On a woman, I love him. I'm not gonna dispute that. I love him as a brother.
Hello, okay.
Yes.
Okay, no we nwere ife okwu maka gị if I set up poll, I reply in the person say I cause nonsense. Ono who was praising you, Ono who was supporting you, Ono who was transparent. Ndị are just to use those brain nkịta, Ono we nwere ife o mee dị njọ. Ono who was for you. I apologize to him, he was for you. I saw the video he made.
And when you okay, and jump through here. I'm not going to mbo for now.
Ono ka eku ụmụ nwoke gee ntị ka eku ụmụ nwoke niile anyị esi na-achụ ụmụ nwaanyị na ụmụ nwoke nwere aka ọnụ.
Why you just marry that? Why you just marry that dude? Why you just marry that dude, Kobe? Iman on a marry somehow.
Amara maka nke a maka ma m na-ekwu onye adịghị ihe akịta achọ ịkọs problem. Ignore their messages.
I'm not a query more for them. I'm not query more for them.
Onye adịghị nonsense achọ ịkọs wahala. Ignore their messages. For everything ha dị ka before after the nonsense I verify ya before iwe kwube ihe ọbụla. I'm all goes there here and say hey n'ihe adịghị akịta chọrọ
my brother. I watch you go the video. I remember on a call you didn't my daddy. I know we were me born. I get him the video.
I understand, but yes.
On my daddy. He needs to stop that rubbish.
Yeah. I'm come on, go to when don't mind them. You just trigger you. Every kind of say I need to travel there. I need to travel na mogamu. Oh my say I'm going to travel only when I'm mogamu. I show for you get call you. Don't try to verify before you know because this is what they do. They want to put trouble between young people.
In the
I heard you 100%. I understand you.
Okay.
But this I understand. Don't worry. I don't comment. Just ignore the person.
But I get him the video. You when we have about my dad.
Okay. Can you back Olilanya Ndimo?
Ebere na abara that idiot ka o shi were aka kụọ n'obi ya. Ịmana onye ahụ
Ogechi was captured alive. Ogechi was captured alive. Will actually capture you dead because or Idi Amin of Uganda ga-ejide. Ọgwa nwanne unu nwaanyị ga-eji akọ dala nwoke n'ibie na n'okwu ọnụ. So unu kweta na Ogechi bụ nwoke bụ ahụ. Ọkwa mgbe Chineke. Nwanne m Chineke ọkwa mgbe akwụ gwuru Ogechi bụ nwoke bụ abụ asị na akụ ihe nkịta ụlọ akụtakọ na nwoke zaala. They are disgrace to men. Disgrace to men. I was so disappointed, I swear. Hey, na ịhụ nwoke nọ na-ezuzu. Arrest ọ na-abụrụ unu myself. Na ezigala unu ozi ka ezigala unu claim o glory. Don't worry, it is well. God is by your side. What do you eme gị? Nkata niile akpa ya egburu ha n'isi.
My brother is about to get more tougher in upcoming days and months and months.
What is ga-eme? Ihe agba ọsọ fọrọ na ya. Ọnwụ ife ikwu a na-asị gị ịbata gị ezo mee vidiyo ị na-achị ihe nwụnyelụ ha mba ihe emecha investment niile atacha afụlọ 15 hours kwụsị ọtọ mee investment na Nigeria ihe na-ezo ezo wee na-abata God forbid mba how long will it last? How long? Na you fight this thing once and for all anya anwụsị nwa fight once and for all oyigburo mmadụ one thing about this whole case bụ na enwelechukwu ihe ọnụ aka ọ gịkwalụ mmadụ once ị na-egburo mmadụ you are good to go. I didn't feel more now. Enyelego m this case so nwere onye egwu onye si na-ekele ọtọ ọ bụrụ gị nwa onye si na-ekele ọtọ ji ọnụ ya si mmadụ ikiricha delete ye so ihe isendele mmadụ si ikiricha delete ye Ogechi ka isendele Ogechi bụ onye si akiricha delete ihe anụwa bụ ife atọọlụ o nwere ihe Ogechi kewara ọ mmadụ kerekwala ya ọka ka esi kenye ife atọọlụ so o nwere ihe gị nwa mee vidiyo kesaa ikpu o nwere ka esi dị ebe a ma idea so yeah, boss forever. So welcome home. Mara ama nọkọta nachi ya azụ si ibi ya natana. Ndị nke ọzọ abata anụ na-eto ọnụ. Abatago Nigeria. Na nke na-ata anụ ewu. Anụ m enjoy. Ọ dị nnọọ ka na-asị onwe m ka ọ ga-echi batakịrị Nigeria ka ike ya emenụme. Batakịrị Nigeria ka ike ya emenụme. Asị na ofu afọ ya azụ. Ife anyị emekenụme once and for all. The only thing bụ na capital offense igburo mmadụ. The only thing look at onye ọbụla obi na this case there was no death case here. Ọ bụrụ death sentence. Ọ bụrụ igburo not just na akọrọ ọnụ ọtụ igbo amụ a na-akọ every day. You understand? So nwere onye nwere ife na-eme nwere ya nọta n'ụwa dịka every year mmadụ anasị mmadụ ibi ya batara akụkọ. Nwere enweda monopoly. Everybody nwere equal rights. Safe mee once and for all. Nwere ife na-eme. So no ya bụ the thing. What ife na-eme n'oge. Oh my dear, most of these commenters now are the cause of all these problems. Commenters now, hey, you don't want to betray go, you don't want to betray go. You know, just make sure that I confirm because India were plans. How will fake account for put out? By them, ask now after that betray again. Let's try because everyone came from Bona Tisha Bonda very happy. Na-eme video on your behalf. That's that Tishi Ghana will go and just na Tishi na only na ọtọbugo ka ekosi atọ kid na atọ Tishi na these people they support.
I know they watch those trash anymore. I don't listen, I don't watch, so I don't they can damage the wall. I know they hear them anymore. So I don't know what is going on over there.
Ogwe na aja we kind of apụta for saga. Oje treat face obesity. Go to corner when I'm madam. Na biko ndị aba n'ụlọ dị akọ ihe na-eme ike. Nakọta na akọ ihe na isi ogbonna na-enwe anwụlị. Onye nwe ya na Stella. Onye apụta bla bla bla. Na thank God for your victory. What if Monday ije Abuja, God will be with you. Anọrọ m nso akamanokwu ya ba Abuja, but nsogbu adịrọ. God will be with you. Victory will be yours. Victory will be yours. What if
A lot of people are interested in the case, and that like about you touch people that matters.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you know language connection, every connection na-ekwu ka nke onye ọzọ bido. It is well, na-ejisi ike.
Okay, my brother, thank you. Guys, how they can galapo? We got many calls. Galapo, you can get call them. I'm back on my room. Can get weekend. Thanks, bad enough food today. Thank you, in this Sunday, let me go. Take it, but you're moon. No, ma. How are you? Drink element. Edi bala ma phone.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, tell us what you think about this video, subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please subscribe on this channel and share it.